Hey, 3D modeling. Okay, so you may be proceeding beyond the articulated flat object round 2, the one that you're working in your group. Now, if you are, here is the challenge. You're now going to be making a hinge that works in all directions. And before you start thinking, oh, that's easy, I'm just gonna take one torus and another torus and link them together. No, they kind of violate the rule of 45, almost no matter how you do it. And if you find a way not to violate the rule of 45, then they don't work in all directions. They kind of just hang there and wiggle. So you're gonna have to build yourself a hinge that works in all 3 dimensions. So yes, the torus within a torus loop-to-loop thing is a good starting place. It's not an ending place. Now, if you do this, and if you move on and you've already articulated your flat object, and you might not, there's a very good chance you're still going to be working on this when I come back on Tuesday of next week. But if you are done and you have turned it in and you're getting all your credit for your work, then I want you to build a body segment, one body segment, just one, for a linear 3-dimensional object. Linear meaning in a line. So a snake, a dragon, a worm, an eel, something like that. And the body segments are all going to connect to each other. And they're all going to connect to each other. So if you think about that body segment, it's going to have to connect on this end and on that end, and they're going to have to work. So check out that blue dragon. Look at the blue dragon that's in the room. It's a great idea. That's what we're going to be doing. There'll be much more on this project when I get back. We'll go over manipulatives, things we can touch by hand. So, okay? But your job is probably to complete the articulated flat object that you're working on as a group. And remember, each person is responsible for creating their own hinge and their own flat object. Then you decide, what you're going to hinge and what slicing tools and punching tools that you're going to make. Okay? All right. See you.